Welcome back to tearing the wires off of old TV. I found these wires and just break them out. Best to get it undone, untangled first. Find the rest of this bungle crap. It's hard to get off. Alright. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta hold your mouth this way when it comes off. If not, then you'll have bad luck. Not everybody has bad luck doing it. Get off. It's your phone. Let me get you off. You pull the wires and all. Oh, good. I'll pull you out too. Now let's work on this one. Sorry if it breaks off in there. Just make it a little bit easier to strip that wire. Now that's almost done. Where you at? Yep. Pop that off like a chicken. Pop that off like a chicken. Now I got that particle board. Work on that later. So I'm gonna have a bunch more. And do this comes out. Get off, magnet. I'll do the same thing with the rest of these. I hope you all can see it, but if not, I apologize. Maybe I'll put it back this way. A little cloudy. So once I get it apart, then I can get it together better. Or just move the wire. Some people just say cut it. I can hear some of you saying cut it. Which is fine. If I cut it, just less wire, less wire to strip in the wire stripper that I showed in the video. This one don't have much there to do. In my pose. Put that trash out there. Where you at? Right there. Hard to do things with two hands and a small table. One of these days I'll have a bigger table. Maybe later on this year. Just take time, but it's fun. Just work with what you have. So that's that wire. What's next? That connected to that thing. This one. I guess I just leave them there, not really hurting nothing for the moment. Go ahead and take this off. If I say something you don't want to hear, sorry to say it. Apologize for that. Get these wires off. Yeah. Oh, you guys can't see that up there. I just pulled this white wire off of this one right here. Now I'm working on the black one. Just push it around about 4 or 5 times. Yeah, come on. Maybe more. Depends on what's there in the room. Pull on it even better. But just try not to cut your fingers and it'll be like that. Get dirty after a while. Now I got everything. Let's see if that's everything. I'll pull this out. Yep, that's everything on that board. Now I got everything right here in my hand that I can work on later on. Focus on getting the rest of the wire off of this TV. And I'll catch you on the next round. Thanks for watching.